Good morning from Nice. Today is August 19th, yes. Monday, and we couldn't do intros really in Copenhagen because we had our roommate sleeping most of the time and we were up and out in the morning. Hopefully we can figure out some type of intro. We can make something consistent. We're gonna go get some breakfast.
Croissants, and Logan's very excited for beignets. We found this little place that got good reviews and it's really close to the hotel. So it's about 70 degrees and sunny, and I can't wait to get outside.
Yeah. €6 breakfast, good start. Beach got a cafe espresso. I got an apple beignet, and Jenny.
I got big old croissant.
Looks delish. Come back here. Thoroughly enjoyed our breakfast, and we ran some errands. Got some apples at the market with some water, and we picked up some toiletries that we needed, like sunscreen and mouthwash and all that fun stuff. And now I think we're gonna do some laundry because we don't have, well, I don't have many clothes left. Just finished up our laundry. We have our shirts drying nicely there. Used our pack towels to help dry. Now Jenny is using our line to hang some of our socks, underwear, all that stuff, and then shirt and pants scattered around. Took some time. We'll get better at it as we go.
I think we earned a lie down on the beach.
I think we're ready for some beach time.
I'm ready.
Jenny's ready.
I'm very ready. But first we're gonna get lunch. We really want to try saka or soka. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but a lot of things are closed on different days of the week. Today's Monday and there are no soka places open, so we're just gonna go to the market and grab some cheap sandwiches and bring them to the beach.
Yes. Okay, just once. Warmed up a bit since this morning. Good beach weather. It's gonna be tough to open. Oh, we like those.
Oh, we do. So, just picked up lunch. We got 2 sandwiches, a bag of Madeleine, what are they? They're
pastries, I guess.
Pastries, and 2 apples, all for €12. So in total, I think we've each spent under €15 for breakfast and lunch.
We're doing good.
Doing really good. It's so beautiful here. Really, really beautiful.
Finally made it to the beach.
Yes.
Nice and close to the water. I'll hop in when it gets a bit hot.
Feels great right now though.
How do the rocks feel?
Not bad.
Yeah. Here she comes. Slowly but surely. She's walking on rocks. How'd it feel?
It was lovely. The water's so clear and it feels so good. It's salty though, I can taste it. Hi. How was it?
That was a nice tip. It was a beautiful beach day indeed.
I love every second of it. I have a new favorite day.
We're nice and salty now because of the Mediterranean water. And we're gonna go back, shower, and then maybe check out the old city.
But the water was the absolute perfect temperature. We spent so much time just floating around. The rocks weren't so bad. We got used to it. Definitely different than the US. The water is beautiful. It's 2 shades of blue. There's like a light turquoise, and it gets darker. It's nice and clear. You can see your feet in the water. It's just, it was awesome.
We actually still haven't used the tram system here. It's been really crowded. It is a cheap form of transportation, but We've honestly just been enjoying the walks from our
They're so
hotel.
pretty. And I don't mind the exercise.
Exactly.
I'm eating a lot of carbs. So.
True that. We have made it back from the beach. We got cleaned up. What are we gonna do now?
We're gonna go have a romantic date night in Nice. Why are you laughing?
We're getting pizza.
I think it's a romantic date night.
A very cheap romantic date in Nice.
We're gonna go buy a bottle of rosé and a pizza and go sit by the beach.
2 pizzas.
2 pizzas?
If we're crazy.
Are they small? Oh,
Maybe.
2 pizzas. And then we're gonna roam around Old Nice and hopefully get gelato at Fenocchio's.
Fenocchio.
I don't think we're saying that right.
Fenocchio. The usual, find something to do, find something to eat, and film it. Here we go. Step 1, find the rosé.
This is our 4th time here today. Oops.
Rosé has been acquired, €4. Now to pizza.
They are fresh.
Fresh out the oven and sliced. Dip, dodge, diving, dodging traffic. Found a bench to enjoy our pizza. Nice view of the water.
So nice. 3, 2, 1. Ah, that's fine. That looks so good. Peppers, onions, artichoke, mushrooms. Oh, it's anchovy. Looks like you got some olives and sauce and cheese with the crust. Oh, and you got spicy sauce.
So as a final verdict, we enjoyed the pizza. The rosé, how's the rosé?
Rosé is perfect. I am sipping rosé, eating fresh made pizza, looking at the Mediterranean with Logan. Life's pretty good.
Life is good. We've enjoyed our time here on this bench.
Very many minutes on that bench.
Probably an hour and a half. Just enjoying the weather, enjoying the pizza, rosé, and the people watching.
Oh, so much people watching. Better than an airport, arguably. And we got to see planes take off and land. So that was pretty cool.
So we've enjoyed our time, and I think we're gonna go get some ice cream now. Gelato.
Yes, I would love that.
We're back in the old city. Gonna go to the gelato place that had so many different options. We have found it. Merci. Thank you.
Come on, go over here.
So Jenny got
Pistache. C'est bon. C'est très bon.
and I got tiramisu. There's cocoa in it. It's delicious. I love tiramisu gelato.
I love pistachio. It's dripping, so I'm gonna eat it.
Yep, see you soon. Great day today. Finished off with some ice cream. Now we're gonna head back to the hotel.
Maybe do some video editing.
Yep. Take it easy.